back to my channel. I am Shreya and today I'm back with another video. So this video is known as this or that tag. So basically I have never done this or that tag on my channel, so I thought let's just do it. It will be fun. So yeah, today I'm gonna do the this or that tag and let's just quickly begin with the video. Okay you guys, so here I have a list of around 30 to 40 questions. So I'm quickly gonna answer all of them. So let's just start with the first question. So the first question which I have is book or ebook. Definitely book, because I don't prefer ebooks. The traditional way of reading is just good. I prefer books. Although I'm not a reader, I don't read novels or anything extra like that, but yeah, books. Next question which we have is sweater or hoodie. Obviously hoodie. Next is dine-in or delivery. I'm a person who loves taking food home and then eating. Like, I'm fine with both, but delivery is just another comfort. The next question which I have is working alone or working in a team. Of course working alone. I know it's so weird that I don't like working in teams. I'm fine with working in team, but if you ask for preference, it will always be working alone. I love my company a lot and I'm very self-sufficient that I love working alone. I don't like group works or team works as such, but if I have to, I can definitely work in a group, but it's about preference, right? So it would always be working alone. Next question which we have is card game or board game. Board games, more than card games I would say. Next question is Mac or PC. PC obviously, because since childhood I've been using PC. Mac is just these days, but PC is like the old friend. Ocean or mountains. Oceans. Love water. I love mountains also, but oceans, yes. Movie at home or movie at theater. Of course movie at home. I have been to theater very less time because I don't like watching movies in theaters. First of all, I don't like watching movies as such. I watch very less movies. I am more into like web series and those kind of things, but that too very rare. So yeah, movies at home is my type. Okay, the next question is TV or book. TV, of course. Coffee or tea? None. But if I had to choose one, I'll go with coffee. Next is honesty or others' feelings. This is a tough one because honesty of course, but others' feelings are also important for me. So yet if I had to choose one, I would say honesty. Okay, the next question which we have is save or spend. I spend a lot, although I want to save, but I spend a lot, so spend. The next question is iced coffee or hot coffee. Of course iced coffee. Next question is phone or phablet. Phone, of course. Okay, the next question that we have is blinds or curtains. Coffee cup or thermos? Coffee cup for sure. Coke or Pepsi? Coke. Pancake or waffles? None of this. I don't like waffles, I don't like pancakes, but if I had to choose from both of this, I'd go with pancakes. Next is cups in the cupboard, right side up or upside down. This question is not for me actually, because I never do these things, never even care about which direction they are, like let it be. Okay, next question which we have is at a movie, candy or popcorn? Popcorn any day. Okay, so the next question is money or free time. This is a tricky one, so I'd actually go with money, because I'll tell you the reason. If you have money, you can hire someone and have free time for your work, like the other person can work for you instead, so you can have free time. But if you have free time and no money, you will have to work in your free time to have money. So I hope this makes sense. Next question is blue or red. Blue. Car or truck? Of course car. Okay, so the next question which we have is most important in a partner, intelligent or funny? Funny. Humor is the main element. Tablet or computer? Computer. Passenger or driver? None. I am the person who suffers from travel sickness, so basically passenger, driver, truck, car, nothing is for me. So yeah. Receive email or letters? Letters any day. Online shopping or shopping in a store? Online shopping always. Next question is glasses or contacts? Of course, you can see contacts. Sneakers or sandals? Sneakers. Bath or shower? Both. I'd go with shower. I'm okay with both actually. Jogging or hiking? Hiking. What's okay? So the next question which we have is what's worse, laundry or dishes? Dishes or laundry. I don't know. I've done none of this. So work hard or play hard? Work hard and play harder. Football or basketball? None. Not a sports person at all. Rich friend or loyal friend? Loyal friend for life. New clothes or new phone? New clothes. Big party or small gathering? Small gathering. I'm a person who loves minimum number of people. So I'm the person who loves a minimum amount of people near me. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. Next is iOS or Android? Currently it's iOS. While walking, music or podcast? Music. While walking it will be music, and while sitting it will be podcast. By the way, I also have one podcast. I have never uploaded a podcast. I said postcard. I thought that I'll be uploading the podcast regularly, but I was just not able to do that. But I'll soon start doing it. I have one podcast live on my podcast channel. You can listen it on Spotify, iTunes, Google Podcast, anywhere. I'll leave the link below. Do hear if you haven't. Okay, so the next question that we have is Facebook or Twitter? Actually none, but if I had to choose, I'll go with Facebook. Cardio or weights? Cardio. Toast or eggs? Of course toast. I'm a pure vegetarian. Phone call or text? Depends on the person. Netflix or YouTube? Netflix. Dog or cat? Dog. Then I think I'm done with most of this, but let me just go through it. Horror movie or comedy movie? Always horror movie. I am a big fan of horror movies. City or countryside? Countryside any day. So that is it about today's video. I hope you guys would have loved it.